George and the Noisy Baby. Papa and George's family are having a sleepover at Cousin Chloe's house. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are looking forward to an early night. They had a long journey. Hello, cried Cousin Chloe. Hello, shouted Auntie Pig. Hello, booms Uncle Pig. Everyone makes a lot of noise in Cousin Chloe's house. They are a very noisy family. First, we'll put baby Alexander to bed, says Auntie Pig. This is his room. Auntie Pig turns up baby Alexander's musical mobile. Alexander likes noise. She explains it sends him to sleep. Papa and George are staying in Cousin Chloe's bedroom. They are very excited. Night. Papa, soon everyone is tucked up in their beds, they sleep. Wow! Baby Alexander is awake. Everyone is awake. Uncle Pig tries vacuuming. Auntie Pig tries playing the trumpet. Noise is the best way to get baby Alexander to sleep, she said. Daddy Pig has a quieter idea to try. When George was a baby, we used to put him in his pram and wheel him round the house, he said. That always sent him to sleep. Daddy Pig pushed baby Alexander in his pram. He only has to go around the house 50 times. Good, he puffed. At last, baby Alexander is asleep. Daddy Pig and baby Alexander are ready to come inside. Auntie Pig switches the alarm back on. George, cries Daddy Pig, what are you doing up? Yum, yums George, noisy. Daddy takes George and the baby Alexander back up to bed. He is about to turn the light off when, wow! Uh-oh, guessed George. Baby Alexander is awake again. It is very noisy. Daddy Pig decides to drive baby Alexander around in the car. Don't forget to turn off the alarm, shouted Auntie Pig. Daddy Pig forgot to turn off the alarm. The noisy house wakes everyone up. Miss Rabbit zoomed across in a rescue helicopter. Is everyone all right down there? Yelled Miss Rabbit. Yes, thank you, bellowed Uncle Pig. The alarm has worked. Baby Alexander is fast asleep, and it's all down to my noisy daddy, giggles Papa.